Contel telephone statue in front of their engineering office till about 3 years ago, and my employees and family bought it for me for a Christmas present. They had it at the company Christmas party, and I was worried that maybe they stole it, but they actually bought it. It's an awful slender live one.
I was raised on a farm. I was 14 years old, and Dad took me to Hawk Point Bank, and I borrowed money for a John Deere tractor. I was farming, renting 90 acres. And I thought, once I get that damn John Deere paid for, I'll never borrow money again. I learned a lot about economics then, and I guess that's probably the reason why I wanted to go in business later on in life. My senior year, and I went to a basketball game, and I met Dixie. We've been together ever since then, and she's been a big part of this company. She stayed home and raised a family, and apparently she's better at raising families than I am running a business, because they all turned out well, and now they're running this company. What really started in 1979, I was working for another contractor. Thought I could be more efficient, and I didn't want to be the boss over 15, 20 people. So I decided to go out on my own, and that's how the thing came about. I was 29 years old when I started the construction company. The business part was the hard part. Getting the work, completing the work, that was easy. Financing it was a big problem. In the late 70s and early 80s, interest went to 18, 20%, and that's what really stressed us out big time. Seems like every time I needed something, somebody gave me a lift, and it happened a lot of times. We bought our first directional boring machine in 1991. It was either the second or third one that Ditch Witch ever sold in the state of Missouri. So we were kind of pioneers, you might say. How's that sound? So now we were, I guess, high-tech rednecks. A high-tech redneck, an individual that can fix anything with baling wire, drive anything. They love this country. They like to work, and they can run any kind of piece of equipment. Most of them are computer adaptable anymore. That's my theory of a high-tech redneck. There was a lot of good times, you know. We took on some projects that were way too big for us, but just did it with pure hard-headedness and work. That's it. We need to make big pieces of paper. Got a contract with the city of Columbia, which I might add, we're still boring for them every day today. Kingdom Telephone Company out of Avaz. We worked for them the first year we were in business, and we are currently still working for them. When I seen these older houses, I knew what you were doing. Yes, we want to make a profit, but our main thing is we want to give out a quality product, treat our customer and their customers with respect so we can come back. There's a lot to be said about that for everybody. Kind of one of the proudest things, I had a lady wrote me a nice letter, and this happened in northeast Missouri, and apparently we were working on a state highway, plowing some cable, and a funeral procession went by, and it was her husband. They stopped working, took off their hard hats. And it was a really nice thing this lady wrote. This facility, we're in a huge growth pattern again. We're working over 200 employees now. It's bad when the mechanics truck is being worked on. They know they got security with a job. Hopefully they enjoy their job and will continue to work for us, because that's what we need is long-term employees. And that goes, the guy that's doing the shovel out here trying to find the fiber cable is sometimes just as important as the guy that's running the bulldozer. They know it's a family-run outfit and we're going to be here forever. That's our goal.